HUAWEI Mate 20 Lite, and let me show you how to set up date and time settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen. Here we need to find and select the settings. Then scroll down and choose system. From the system, choose date and time. And in my case, I've got automatic date and time and also the automatic time zone. But if I disable these options, I can set the date manually, so I can choose the appropriate date. I can set up the time right here. I can also choose the time zone. So here I can use the following list, or I can use the searcher for cities, countries and time zones. Let's go back. But in my case, let me go back to the automatic date settings right here, and here I can also decide either I would like to use the 24-hour time or 12-hour time. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.